Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I am taking part in the Fun Time Friday. The host is Tiffany from Broke Aesthetic and her co-host is Favi from Arrows DIY. This is just a very small little video that I put together, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get right to it. Okay, we ordered these off of Amazon. They are 3x3 little pieces of thin wood. So I had to figure out how many I needed, and I was able to, I pulled out 26 of the darker looking ones. And I took some stencils that my daughter had gotten from Dollar General, and I'm just using a black acrylic paint, and I'm stippling all of the letters on to look like Scrabble pieces. And then what I end up doing is hooking them together with paint stir sticks on the back with hot glue and wood glue to get the best bond of the wood. So, and of course you'll see at the end, and I'm not at home, so this is not my normal place to craft. So, but don't forget to go down to the description box. Favi's channel link will be there, as well as the playlist and all of the information on who I am affiliate with and an ambassador for. They'll all be in that in the description box. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Leave a message. I love it. Also, I have started a new channel that is going to be more for my paintings, my nail paintings, woodworking, cooking, and all other kinds of stuff. I'll have that link also in the description box. So, I hope you guys enjoy the way this turned out. It looks like a Scrabble. It's going to be on my daughter's new home wall for her and this is her family's. So, just enjoy. So here's the finished product. As you can see, all their names are on there, and it looks beautiful. So you guys have a great day, and have a blessed weekend or week, and be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.